everybody, welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to cut coils to lower a vehicle.
Oh no!
Oh yeah! Bitch! Welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. We are in the new shop. I know like all the videos are going to be in the new shop from now on, but at the same time I'm just so excited to say we're in the new shop, motherfuckers. We here, working late nights, getting money. No, we're not getting money. We are actually doing some work on the truck though. We've got this Taquachi ass motherfucker here. Been riding around with the back lowered for how long?
Too long?
Too long, that's right, buddy. So now we're gonna cut some coils because he spent all of his hard-earned finance paycheck on some wheels. Anyways, guys, this is Slade. He owns this truck. We're making him do the work that we said we'd do for him today. We're gonna take them there coils, and we're gonna take one of them out. That way, it'll sit that low.
Hopefully.
Probably not.
Probably not. Probably won't be.
We should cut two out then.
No.
For good measure.
No. Why?
Okay. Well, the reason that we're only gonna cut one coil out of this is because the end of the coil is right back there, and where it sits in that insulator, it kind of positions it. So if we cut a coil in half, it'll be turned around 180 and the bottom one won't sit in. So you always want it to sit back. I only suggest cutting out one coil at a time. Yeah. Not yet.
No?
We gotta take the shock out, take the nuts off, take the shock out, get everything off and loose, sway bar off, and then we'll, you are just jamming along, buddy.
You should not.
Fuck, I thought we were helping you.
Logan's big spooning now.
Yeah. Howdy, howdy. There we go. See, it's not so scary when you do it from the back. I suggest anybody that's going to cut their springs or take their springs out, do it from the back. It's so much easier. You don't have to bust bolts once loose. You got 2 bolts and a sway bar link, and that's it. Drops down, you slip it in from the back, and it'll go right back in there. Super simple.
Good boys. Good time.
Well, we got the spring and the vise. We're about to cut it. From what I understand, on full sizes, each link is 2 inches. So if we cut right here to make a full 360, a full link out like this, that'll give us 2 inches of downward. Just go 2 inches down, like that.
Bikini bottom.
So, I'm sure you've noticed that I don't wear safety glasses.
Oh.
For good reason. These bulletproof Oakleys. Even without those, I squint. It's the best way to protect your eyes. Heck yeah. Putting the shock in is kind of a two-person job. You can do it by yourself. It's a pain in the ass. If you jack up the suspension beforehand, you can just shove it through by yourself. But I like to bolt it to the bottom and then let somebody guide it through the top hole as I put the jack down. So he's got our nut started up there. You just want those bushings to bulge a little bit. That's the one that's going to keep it in place. No matter if it's too loose or not, that jam nut's going to keep it in place.
How fucked up would it be if after all this it's still at the same height? I know it wouldn't be, but like how fucked.
You say you know it wouldn't be, but have you ever owned a fucking EM2 Civic and put max speeding rods, lowering coilovers on it and dropped them down all the way, only to see that your car was an inch higher than stock?
Well, that was because they messed that up.
You say you know what would happen, but you never fucking know. You don't. Then, all of a sudden, you end up with a Civic sitting on 29-inch tires with fenders cut out. And there's water all in your trunk, so you gotta drill holes. And your kid's like, Daddy, why is it so loud? And you're like, because I took the muffler off, you little shit.
Okay. Just give her. Oh yeah!
I told you, bro.
There's even more settle in that.
It's gonna settle, yeah. It's gonna give it another inch.
Oh, that is so much better. So much better.
Well, another job half-assed here at Definitely Not Mechanics. That's the way we roll, whether we've got nice equipment in a new shop or not. But I'll tell you what, go check out our merch. You can find all of our cool shirts, which soon to be tie-dyed. And you can find some koozies, some stickers, some slaps, some dented up hoods, because this is going up there like a fender off a Dale Earnhardt's car. Woo! We're auctioning this bad boy off. Skidoo! Whoop, whoop. Till next time, guys. Off. Almost forgot. You, Zach.